Looking for the best sewing machines to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 1. Janome MC6650. If you're looking for a high-performance sewing machine that brings precision, power, and convenience to your projects, the Janome MC6650 is a top-tier choice. Designed for quilting and sewing enthusiasts, this machine offers 170 built-in stitches and 2 alphabets, making it perfect for everything from intricate embroidery to everyday sewing. The top-loading full rotary hook bobbin and superior needle threader simplify setup, while the one-push needle plate conversion ensures seamless transitions between stitch types. With a 10-inch all-metal seamless flatbed, you get a spacious and sturdy work surface, ideal for large quilting projects. Plus, the drop feed feature and foot pressure adjustment dial give you full control, whether you're working with delicate fabrics or thick layers. Speed and efficiency are where the Janome MC6650 truly shines, boasting 1000 stitches per minute, SPM, and an automatic thread cutter that keeps things moving smoothly. The 6 LED lights positioned in 3 locations eliminate shadows, making it easy to work on detailed designs. The memorized needle up/down function is perfect for precision quilting, while the removable stitch reference chart makes it easy to find the right settings for any project. With 15 language options and 12 included accessory feet, this machine is versatile and user-friendly for sewists of all levels. Whether you're quilting, crafting, or tailoring, the Janome MC6650 delivers professional quality results with every stitch. And there you have it, the top 5 best sewing machines to help you bring your creative projects to life. Whether you need power, precision, or versatility, there's a perfect machine for every skill level and sewing style. So, which one is your favorite? If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget. Number 2. Bernette B79. For those who want the best of both worlds, sewing and embroidery, the Bernette B79 is a powerhouse machine that lets your creativity soar. This 2-in-1 combo offers 300 built-in embroidery motifs, 500 Sew Fancy design access cards, and Bernina Toolbox software for next-level customization. With 3 embroidery hoops in different sizes, you can create everything from intricate monograms to large embroidered patterns. The 5-inch color touchscreen makes it easy to navigate through settings, and with a wide variety of included accessories, you have everything you need to start crafting right away. Precision and convenience are the heart of the Bernette B79. The automatic needle threader, drop-in top bobbin, and straight/cutwork stitch plate make it a dream to work with. This machine also comes with 10 embroidery needles, pre-wound bobbins, and tear-away stabilizers, so you can dive into projects with ease. The heavy-duty metal frame ensures durability, while the presser foot lifter and slide-on table provide ample workspace for quilting and larger garments. Whether you're a beginner looking to explore embroidery or an experienced sewist wanting a professional-grade machine, the Bernette B79 is a game-changer in home sewing. Number 3. Juki TL-2010Q. If you need a machine that's built for speed and precision, the Juki TL-2010Q is a quilter's dream. With 1,500 stitches per minute, SPM, this powerhouse can handle everything from delicate silk to multiple layers of thick fabric, making it ideal for quilting, tailoring, and home decor projects. The automatic thread trimmer, needle up/down control, and adjustable presser foot pressure make it an absolute joy to use. Plus, the precision pin feed system ensures that even the most challenging fabrics glide through smoothly for impeccable stitch quality. What makes the Juki TL-2010Q stand out is its all-metal industrial-grade construction, ensuring long-lasting durability. The large extension table provides an expansive workspace, perfect for quilting or large garment projects. The LED lighting illuminates your work area, while the foot pedal speed control gives you total command over stitching speed. With its straight stitch-only design, the Juki TL-2010Q is ideal for professional sewers who demand flawless, even stitches every time. If you want a semi-industrial machine that delivers professional results, this Juki model is one of the best investments you can make. Number 4. Singer Heavy Duty 4423. For those who need a powerful and reliable sewing machine, the Singer Heavy Duty 4423 is built to handle thick fabrics and demanding projects. With a 60% stronger motor than standard machines, this workhorse powers through denim, canvas, and upholstery fabrics with ease. It offers 97 stitch applications, including stretch, decorative, and utility stitches, as well as a one-step buttonhole for effortless garment making. The automatic needle threader and top drop-in bobbin ensure easy setup, while the stainless steel bedplate allows fabrics to glide smoothly under the needle. Speed is a major advantage of the Singer 4423, delivering 1,100 stitches per minute, so you can complete projects quickly and efficiently. The heavy-duty metal frame ensures long-term durability, providing a stable sewing experience without vibrations. It also includes a variety of accessory feet, such as a zipper foot, buttonhole foot, and quilting guide, making it a versatile choice for all kinds of sewing tasks. With its LED lighting, you get a bright workspace for precision stitching. Whether you're sewing thick layers or crafting everyday garments, the Singer 4423 delivers power, speed, and reliability in a compact package.